Good morning, Year 4. It's Friday, and this is our last maths lesson together. So we are week 12, lesson 5, consolidate fractions of a quantity. So enjoy your last one. Okay, so we're going to do an example on the board of the type of questions you're going to get on the sheet. All right, so the question is calculate 1/5 of 30. Okay, so we're going to do it in two kind of different ways. I'm going to use the bar model first to show you what's happening, and then the quick division afterwards, but there is a warning there for avoiding making a mistake. Okay, so I'm going to draw the bar model and show you. So here's my bar model. We know that the quantity, the whole that we have is 30. Okay, and we want to find 1/5 of 30. So I've divided the second strip of my bar model into 5 equal parts. Okay, so we know that each of these is worth a fifth. Okay, and so what that means we have to do is 30 divided by 5. All right, now most of you should be able to tell me that 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay, you can use your inverses to help you if you need to. So that would look like something multiplied by 5 is 30, and then if we went up in our 5 times table, we would get 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so that means that each of these fifths is worth 6. And that is important for us to understand as well, because then if we are asked to work out what 3/5 is, okay, so let's move the board down. So if we were asked to work out, let's do it down here, 3/5 of 30, we would know that 1/5 is worth 6. Okay, so what we would need is, in fact I'll do it like this. We would have this fifth, and this fifth. Each fifth is worth 6. 6, 12, 18. Okay, so 3/5 is the same as 18. All right. Okay, so we're now going to calculate 1/8 of 40. So my whole is 40, and the fraction strip tells me that the whole is divided into 8 equal parts. So each of those parts is worth 1/8. So here we're working out what 1/8 is. So we need to do 40 divided by 8. Okay, same as, if you don't know straight away, think about that inverse, something multiplied by 8 equals 40. Okay, and 5 times 8 is 40, so 40 divided by 8 is 5. So then we can identify the value of each eighth. So then the questions today build on your understanding of what 1/8 is. Okay, so it develops into 3/8 of 40. So we don't have 1/8, we have 3 of them. Alright, so we'd have 5, 10, 15. So 3/8 of 40 is 15. Okay, so if I just get rid of that one, and then we've got 7/8 of 40, and that would go just kind of all the way like that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 7/8 of 40 is 35. Okay, and lastly, it's a little bit of a trick question. It's nearly rubbed out, which is 8/8 of 40. Okay, so there you would have the whole, all of them. So that means if you had all of them, all the eighths, you must have the whole, which is 40, because 8/8 is the same as 1. Okay, whole. So we know that if we have 8/8 of 40, that means that we have the whole quantity of 40. So 8/8 is 40. And we know that if we have 1/8, okay, it's 40 divided into 8 equal parts. So each part must be worth 5. We've established that. So in the questions today, sometimes you're asked to find like an improper fraction of the quantity, and they look so strange. Okay, so here I'm going to say, what is 11/8 of 40? Okay, and it looks really, really strange. All right, so we're going to apply our knowledge of all of this to help us. All right, and the first thing we're going to do is actually draw on another 3/8. Okay, all right, so here they are. Oh, here they are. Okay, and it's still 3/8, another 3/8 of 40. Okay, so now you can see that you must have more than your whole. Okay, so we had 40, and then we would have 45, 50, 55. As we had 8/8, and then 3 more 8s. And it's just very strange because it's more than our whole. It's like having a whole 1 and 3/8. All right, so if I drew it just quickly like this, a whole 1, which is worth 40, and then I'm not going to be very good at this. Okay, so and 3/8. Okay, so work through your sheet. Okay, use your bar models to help you, and work hard, have fun.